Hello guys, welcome back to Ton of Things. But for today's video, here are going to show you or discuss with you part of Exile 2 Weapon Set Points Guide. So if you're interested, let's get started. So you might be wondering, what are weapon sets points here? Well, the thing with weapon set points is they are directly connected to your weapons that you currently have right now equipped. So just an idea, this is my inventory, and as you can see, there's like two tabs in your weapon. Now you can go and choose your primary weapon here or your secondary weapon here, which in this case you can swap in between your character or your weapons here. As you can see right now, I'm holding a quarterstaff here. Now for the second, since I haven't equipped any, it's not, or my character will not hold any weapon at all. But if you try attaching or adding or using a weapon here, so let's just give you an idea. Maybe I have another staff here that maybe I want to use. Just drag it in here, and as you can see, my character now uses that specific weapon, as you can see right now. So yeah, so this is a great way for you to, like, for example, if you want to get a very specific staff, this is going to be something really specific for something like, for example, you want to hold a scepter. Well, a secondary weapon here will help you to basically equip that and maybe even like summon minions just in case. But yeah, so that's the use of weapons here. Now, what about weapon sets? So if you click on the plus button, you see at the bottom left here, we have like passive skill points. Now, weapon sets actually, or skill points here, allows you to basically allocate your skill points in a way that actually confirms to, or in this case, adjusts to your current weapon set. Now, the thing with this one is you can actually click on the weapon set 1 or 2 here. So whenever you equip your first weapon, like for example, if you click on the arrow at the top right here, whenever you equip your weapon for weapon set 1, the passive for it will be applied on that specific weapon. Like for example, I want to get like 10 intelligence, increased critical hit chance here, and more. Well, in this case, I'll be using this specific passive from my passive tree when I have my weapon set equipped, my first weapon set. But if you choose the, let's go and click on cancel here to adjust that. But if I click on the second one here and select this one, weapon set 2, so whenever I equip my secondary weapon here, this passive will be the one that your passive 3 will be using. So weapon set 2 has that green color to it. Now if you are going to view for weapon set 1 here, it's going to have like a, sorry, click on cancel. You can switch to weapon set 1. As you can see, it has like an orange color to it. Now the use for this one, or this type of way of allocating points, is to just make sure that you optimize or really maximize your build. Now whether you're holding a very specific staff for your first weapon, well in this case, that depending on what you get on your passive tree here, that will greatly enhance what weapon you currently have right now. Now if you switch your weapon set 2, again, this will improve or really optimize what you have on your secondary weapon. But yeah, so by the way, there's like a max number of points that you could use on specific weapon sets. Like for example, weapon sets right now, in my case, I have like 22, but this actually increases as you play the game or complete the campaign. But to be speaking, again, you will have like maximum amount of points like allocate here. And by the way, these are not free skill points. These are like a specialized type of skill points that you could use on your tree here just to maximize your build, depending on what weapon I have right now equipped, either weapons at 1 or 2. So yeah, so that's how you use your weapon set points in your passive tree here. So depending on what you have equipped right now, your passive tree will also adjust depending on how you set it up. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NF Inspo. Thank you for watching.